How to fix an update is required to use mobile data on this iPhone. So if you want to fix an update is required to use mobile data on this iPhone, then what you need to do is first, you just need something, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, the first method is to restart the device. After restarting, the problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is open up your settings. From the settings, you need to scroll down a bit and then go with general. Under general, you need to go with your section. And here you need to update your carrier settings. After that, the next trick is simply update your iPhone. So go with your general again, go with software update and update your iPhone and check whether your problem has been fixed or not. Or if it hasn't fixed, then the next method is to simply turn on the flight mode. So go with your control center and then turn on the airplane mode for a few seconds, like 30 seconds. And you have to wait for 30 seconds. And after that, you need to turn it off and check whether your problem has been fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to just simply turn off your device, eject your SIM, and insert it again. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to open up your settings, and from the settings you need to scroll down and go with general. Under general, scroll all the way down, go with transfer, reset iPhone, and then tap on reset and tap on reset network settings. After resetting your settings, your problem might be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.